Where's Pepper? We got Pepper this time. How you doing, Pepper? You're looking gorgeous today. Pepper. You look good girl. Tippy. Tippy's always ready to go. Tippy's on the go. Tippy's on the go. Yeah, yeah. Frankie. Frankie, show your smile. There's Tippy again, Tippy. What you doing? What you doing? Don't break the camera. Don't break the camera. Who's this? Oh, there's Mimi. And don't hump your sister. Good boy. Hey, Mimi. Hi. Oh, you're so beautiful. Mimi is a very good little doggy. She is just so perfect. Had her less than a week and she's already fitting in just fine and dandy. Yes, she is. And there's Rosalie taking a nap. How you doing, Rosalie? You're so beautiful. There's Frankie again. Frankie. Now, Shotzi, don't do that. Shotzi. No, 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 no. Who's over here? Sarah, come here, Sarah. There's Cecil. What don't tell me Cecil? Cecil's in his, oh, he loves his bed. Don't you, Cecil? You love your bed? Oh, yes. It's a comfortable bed. Oh, you're so pretty. Well, handsome. Handsome boy, Cecil. Yes, you are. Yes. Handsome. Another handsome boy, Frankie. Frankie's a handsome boy, too. Yes, you are. Well, we love you. Yes. Here they all are, taking a nap. Oh, relaxing. Shotzi. Hello, Shotzi. Yes, you're so pretty. Get the Rosalie. Yeah. Mimi. Hello, Mimi. Oh, you're so gorgeous. Pepper taking a nap. Good girl. Who's all in here? Oh, there's Tippy again. Tippy, Tippy, on the go. Always on the go. I think we're missing somebody. There's Sarah. What are you doing, Sarah? Sarah is shy. There's Darcy. What's that Darcy doing? I'm taking a nap. Taking a nap. Hello, Sarah. Sarah, give me a look. Say hello. Say hello to everybody. Hi. Oh, Tippy again. Tippy, Tippy. Whoop, turn some lights on here. Could see better. Hi, Tippy. Oh, I'm missing somebody, I thought. Tippy. I think we're missing Katie. Where's Katie? Katie! Oh, there's Katie. Katie's on the bed. There's Tippy again. Tippy. Tippy's always ready. There's Katie. Oh, Katie, what you gonna do? Oh, Katie. No. No. Yeah. Hey, Pepper. Tippy. Katie. You gonna growl for us? Show those pretty teeth? Hmm? There's that Pepper. Tippy. What you want? What you want, Tippy? What you want, Tippy? There's Mimi. Hi, Mimi. Shotzi. Shotzi, Shotzi, Shotzi. Okay. One. There we go. There's some beautiful puppies. We got Tippy. Darcy. You're being so pretty. Shotzi, quit humping. No, 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 no. Yes. pretty girl, Mimi. Yes, you are. Oh, you're such a pretty girl. Posing like that. You're always posing. Mimi's a very good girl, aren't you? Yes, you are. Very well behaved. Housebroken. She is just a delight. Yes, she is. Shotzi likes her too. Yes, you do. Okay. We're gonna sign off and say, be a good girl, Tippy.